Hello dear fans. How to determine acid concentration. Concentration is a dimensional quantity by which the composition of a solution is expressed, in particular, the content of a solute in it. Sometimes it happens that this very value is unknown. For example, in a laboratory among many bottles, there may be one, simply signed HCl, hydrochloric acid. For many experiments, much more information is required than just the name. Therefore, it is necessary to use experimental methods such as titration or density determination. Necessary: alkali solution of precise concentration, burette, conical flasks, dimensional pipettes, indicator, set of hydrometers. Instructions. Step 1. One of the simplest ways to determine the acid concentration is direct titration, the process of gradually adding a solution with a known concentration, titrant, to a solution of the analyte in order to fix the equivalence point, end of the reaction. In this case, it is convenient to use neutralization with alkali. Its completion can be easily determined by adding an indicator. For example, in acid phenolphthalein is transparent, and when alkali is added it becomes raspberry. Methyl orange in an acidic medium is pink, and in alkaline it is orange. Step 2. Take a burette, 15 to 20 milliliters volume, set it in the tripod using the foot. It must be clearly fixed, otherwise a few extra drops may fall from the swinging tip, which will ruin the whole process for you. Sometimes one drop changes the color of the indicator. This moment must be detected. Step 3. Stock up on utensils and reagents, conical titration flasks, 4 to 5 pieces of small volume, several pipettes, both Mora without divisions and measuring ones, a 1L volumetric flask, an alkali fixer, an indicator, and distilled water. Step 4. Prepare an alkali solution of the exact concentration, e.g. NaOH. To do this, it is better to use a fixanal, an ampoule with a substance sealed in it. When diluted in 1 liter of water, 0.1 normal solution is obtained. Of course, you can use the exact weight. But the first option is more accurate and more reliable. Step 5. Next, fill the burette with an alkali solution. Put 15 milliliters of an acid of unknown concentration, possibly HCl, in a conical flask, add 2 to 3 drops of indicator to it, and proceed directly to titration. As soon as the indicator changes color and remains so for about 30 seconds, stop the process. Write down how much alkali has gone, for example, 2.5 milliliters. Step 6. Then follow this course of work 2 to 3 more times. This is done to get a wider, more accurate result. Then calculate the average volume of alkali. VOV equals V1 plus V2 plus V3/3. V1 is the result of the first titration, ml, V2 is the result of the second, ml, V3 is the volume of the third, ml, 3 is the number of reactions performed. For example, VOV equals 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 4/3 is equal to 2, 53 milliliters. Step 7. After the experiment, you can start the basic calculations. In this situation, the following relationship is valid: C1 * V1 equals C2 * V2, where C1 is the concentration of the alkali solution, normal, N, V1 is the average volume of alkali consumed for the reaction, ml, C2 is the concentration of the acid solution, N, V2 is the volume of acid participating in the reaction, milliliter, C2 is an unknown quantity. Hence, it must be expressed in terms of known data. C2 equals C1 * V1/V2, i.e. C2 equals 0.1 by 2.53/15 is equal to 0.02 N. Conclusion: when titrating HCl with a solution of 0.1 N NaOH, the acid concentration was found to be 0.02 N. Step 8. Another common way to find out the concentration of an acid is, first, to find out its density. To do this, purchase a set of hydrometers in a specialized chemical or store. You can also order online or visit the point of sale of accessories for motorists. Step 9. Pour the acid into a beaker and place the hydrometers in it until they stop sinking or pushing to the surface. When the device becomes like a float, mark the numerical value on it. This figure is the density of the acid. Further, using the relevant literature, you can use the Lurie reference book. It will not be difficult to determine the desired concentration from the table. Step 10. Regardless of which method you choose, do not forget about the observance of safety measures. Thanks for watching.